On this video, we are going to be proving that the sum of angle in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Secondly, we'll also be proving that the sum of angle in a triangle is also equal to 180 degrees. And lastly, we'll be proving that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles.
Let's start the first theory, which is the sum of angle in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. To prove that the sum of angle in a straight line is 180 degrees, we have to consider a straight line. Let's consider line AB with a midpoint O, line AB with a midpoint O. Now let's also consider the fact that from the midpoint O we have a perpendicular line C, and let's call this D, and also we have angle E and F from OG. Let's assume we have a straight line AB with center O, and angle COA, which is angle D, is a right angle, and also angle COG, which is angle E, and also angle GOB is angle F. So to prove that the sum of angle on line AB is 180 degree, let's consider angle E and angle F. First, we have angle E plus angle F to be equal to 90 degrees. Reason: complementary angles. Complementary angle sums up to give us a 90 degree. Now also angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Why? It is a right angle. Now if angle E plus F is 90 degree and angle D is also 90 degree, therefore angle D plus angle E plus angle F will now be angle D is 90 degrees, angle E plus F, which is E plus F, is also 90 degrees. We'll have it as what? 180 degrees. So when we sum up this, and this, we get 180 degrees. Hence, sum of angles in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So all the angles formed in straight line AB is 180 degrees. The second theorem we are going to prove is the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We want to prove that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now, to prove this, let's reconstruct the triangle as A, B, C, interior angle A, interior angle B, interior angle C, and exterior angle C, let's call it X. So the first thing we'll do is we'll say angle C plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Sum of angles in a straight line. The sum of angles in a straight line C and X is 180 degree. So make X subject formula. X will now be 180 degree minus angle C. Let's call this equation 1. Also, angle X is equal to A plus B. Reason: exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of two opposite interior angle. Therefore, angle X is equal to A plus B. Let's call it equation 2. So, from equation 2, let's substitute equation 1 for the value of X. Let's substitute the value of X in equation 2 from equation 1. So in equation 2, we have X equal A plus B. And equation 1, we have X to be equal to what? 180 degree minus C. So in place of X, we put 180 minus C. So that becomes 180 minus C is equal to A plus B. So moving negative C to the other side, okay, we still have it as 180 minus C equals A plus B. So from here, let's move negative C to the other side. We'll have 180 equals to A plus B. Negative C crossing equal to coming here will become positive C. Therefore, 180 is equal to A plus B plus C. This can be rearranged as A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, which are the sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angle A, B, and C is equal to 180 degrees. Let's prove that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Let's prove that the exterior angle X is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle A plus B. Let's prove that angle X is equal to angle A plus angle B. So to prove that X is equal to A plus B, first of all, angle X plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason: sum of angles in a straight line. So X plus C is equal to 180. Therefore, X plus C equal to 180, making C subject formula, we have C to be 180 degree minus X. Let's call this equation Y. Also, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Reason: sum of angle in a triangle. The sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now from A plus B plus C equals 180 degree, let's call it equation 2. However, in equation 1, we have c to be 180 minus x. So let's substitute c equals 180 minus x into equation 2. And equation 2 is simply a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees, where c is 180 minus x. We'll have a plus b plus 180 minus x equals 180 degrees. Now, let's move 180 degree to the other side. We'll have a plus b. Moving this here, we'll now be left with negative x equals 180 degree, negative 180 degree. 180 minus 180 becomes 0. So we'll have a plus b, negative x, is equal to 0. Now let's move negative x to the other side. Moving negative x to the other side, we'll have a plus b is equal to x, which is the same thing as x equals a plus b. Hence proven. The angle x is equal to a plus b, which is the exterior angle. X is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle a and b.